In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a community on Skool. Whether you found that your interests have shifted, or you simply need to declutter your group list. Leaving a community on Skool is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can smoothly make your departure from any group you wish. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Skool account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to explore. From this drop-down menu, select the Settings option. It's in this section where you'll manage most of your account details. And for our purpose today, you also want to navigate to the Communities tab. This is where all the communities you've joined are displayed, making it easy to review your current memberships. Now, scroll through your list of communities until you find the one from which you wish to part ways. Next to the community name, you'll notice a Settings option. Click on this to enter more detailed settings specific to that group. Once you're in the community settings, look for the Manage Membership option. It's here that you'll be able to alter your membership status. Click on Manage Membership, which will reveal further options. In this menu, you'll find Cancel, Leave Membership. Selecting this option will initiate the process of leaving the community. Finally, a prompt will appear, asking you to confirm that you wish to proceed with leaving the group. It's crucial to note that if the community you're leaving is part of a paid subscription, your access might still remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. This precaution ensures that you get full value for your subscription period. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leave any community on Skool with little hassle. It's a good way to keep your memberships organized and ensure that your community list truly reflects your current interests and needs. Remember, leaving a community doesn't entail long-term consequences. You can always rejoin if you find your interests aligning with that group again in the future. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions about managing your Skool account or any other application inquiries, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Until next time, take care.